Bon, si vous voulez le truc, vous l'aurez en début, vous l'aurez plus tard, mais sans les commentaires, ok? Parce que là, faire marcher ce truc pendant 1 heure, ça m'a bien énervé. Sinon, bienvenue sur la chaîne Legend NS, je suis Dragona. Maintenant, on va commencer le jeu. Et je n'ai pas besoin de présenter Dead Island, donc maintenant... On va choisir notre perso. Et j'espère que j'aurai...
I hate rich assholes. Which is fucking ironic, since I'm expected to put my bloody life on the line for them. That's what they pay me for, this pricey hotel here. To be a bodyguard for the rich and famous fuckwits who come to Benoi to blow their money. I used to be a cop, a bloody good one. A vice detective in Sydney. You know how many female half-Aborigine detectives there were before me? None. You think it was easy? Suffering the abuse of my so-called colleagues. Half of them hated me because I was a girl, and the other half didn't like the fact that my mum was a Koori. So I came up the hard way. I busted my ass. It took me 12 years to make detective, and that still wasn't enough. It's an old boys' club, you know? The whole justice system is a fucking joke. Teenage drug addicts get put away forever, and old white wankers who steal fucking millions get away scot-free. One rich bugger I investigated was clearly molesting his 14-year-old daughter. But he had too much pull with the politicians, so I couldn't touch him. After the girl killed herself, I confronted him, but he just laughed at me. He pulled out a pistol and told me he could blow my bleeding head off and no one would care. Because I was nothing. A nobody. An abo bitch. So I fucking took his gun away and shot the bastard. It was self-defense, but I still got sacked. 12 bloody years down the drain. Worst part is, I didn't even kill the son of a bitch. I just gelded him. One day, I'm gonna have to go back and finish
Oui, je
the
veux
job.
refaire le prologue. Oui, je veux refaire le prologue, j'ai dû tester avant, c'était normal, non? Et le pire, c'est que pour avoir l'un des trophées, je vais devoir jouer avec les 4. Bon, allez, on va fouiller l'hôtel. En espérant cette fois-ci que ça prenne, parce que me battre avec le son pour que le micro passe, c'est énervant. Je sais pas si vous avez déjà eu ça. En tout cas, n'hésitez pas à liker et commenter comme d'habitude.
Maybe there's something we can use.
This is Hotel Emergency Broadcast System. Please leave your apartment immediately. Follow signs to the nearest staircase. For safety reasons, all... This is Hotel Emergency Broadcast System. Please leave your apartment immediately. Follow signs to the nearest staircase. For safety reasons, all elevators are offline. Please remain calm and follow the instructions of the hotel personnel.
Tout le personnel a été bouffé, madame, désolé.
This is Hotel Emergency Broadcast System. Please leave your apartment immediately.
Et une pute cadavre, une.
I love surprises.
Et le pire, c'est qu'on nous force à aller à cette porte qu'on est sûr et certain à chaque fois qu'elle est fermée. Franchement, ça vous a jamais énervé dans ce jeu, vous?
Please remain calm and follow the instructions of the hotel personnel.
Chills? Good. I'll introduce myself later. Right now, we gotta get you the hell out of there. Do exactly as I say, okay? You're gonna have to trust me. First, you need to get hold of a weapon. Search in the maintenance storage room by the end of the corridor. I would move if I were you. Now.
On fouille au début certains
Anything
trucs.
worth anything in here?
De quoi faire une bombe déo. Et une bombe déo après une.
It's the infected! Run! Run for the storage room! Just a bit further!
Oui, oui, patiente.
Lifeguard said no. You heard what he said. Do you hear what's going on out there? You won't go inside here?
I'm doing it. No! Didn't I bloody tell you?
No, stop! Wait! Hey! Can you hear me? Do you understand what I'm saying? Nod your head! Nod your bloody head!
I ain't asking you again. Oh, thank God. I'm a doctor, not a bloody executioner.
Sweet Lord Jesus. Do you know how close we came to bashing your head in?
Allez, allons sauver le sauveteur.
Those things came for us, and Seymour went out to kill them alone.
Why won't anyone help him? We can't just let him die out there. He saved your life. You owe him your life. Please! He's the only one protecting us.
Going out there? Are you nuts?
You're not gonna help him. Get the hell out of the way.
You at least have a weapon? You need to find a weapon.
Please! He's the only one protecting
Ça, cette scène-là, elle m'a toujours énervé. Pour une bonne raison, cette femme n'a pas à nous interrompre, on sait ce qu'on doit faire, point barre.
Oh my God, what have you...
All right. This is fucking crazy. On 3. 1, 2, fuck it, 3!
Smash this!
Now you're a goner for good.
Over there. That's the last one? Okay then. Thanks, mates.
Are you there? Hello? Can you hear me? Shit. Hello?
We were just attacked. Listen, your friend from the hotel's awake. You were right about him being immune to this thing. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have made it. Maybe now we can hold out until help arrives.
There is no help. This thing can't be stopped. I saw how it took my wife.
You need to get out of there, and I can help you. I can arrange for transportation, by air, by sea, but first you need to get here, to me.
I have many sick and injured here, mate. They're crazy with fear. Tell me where you are. Where are you? You there, mate? Hello? Hello? Oh, God damn it. I was touch and go with you for a while.
No thanks to you. Okay.
Bon, là, je vais mettre en public pour l'instant, mais plus tard je mettrai en privé. Parce que je sais que c'est pas évident, ça. Bon, par contre, je vais vous laisser là maintenant. Je me suis énervé toute la matinée à essayer de faire fonctionner le jeu correctement et pour que OBS réponde, étant donné que j'ai dû me prendre un micro sur pied pour remplacer mon casse-micro.